I tell y'all I'm making a ground turkey vegetable soup today. I was actually inspired from my personal trainer. She's like, Elmira, you need more protein. So I was like, what am I going to make? I got celery, onions, garlic, carrots. I'm going to add some spinach, chicken stock. I'm actually going to put beans in there too. You might be like, this is on overload, but I need it. I need it. I need it. I need this goodness. And I love a good soup because you can pack so much nutrition in one bowl. Don't you love soup? What's your favorite kind of soup? This just happens to be the soup I love a good green dish. And this one is definitely green. Look at all of this beautiful nutrition in there. I'm going to sop this up. Get in my cells, get in my lymph system, feed my heart, my skin, my just everything. Feed my mind too. This is great. Well, day 2 of the movement workshop went amazing. You see me there representing, I'm actually dancing to Pharrell Happy and leading our wonderful group of men and women on this movement for heartbreak journey. Yay! We had a blast. We had a blast. Every time I teach this, it just keeps getting better and better. Look at them moves. All my coaches will understand this. Sometimes it seems like you're always on a conference call, a Zoom call or something. This morning, I have an action call, which is my consultation with one of my workshop attendees. That's what I'm doing. I am waiting for her to arrive. And then for the rest of the day, I'm going to finish cleaning up my space, putting everything away. That's what I'm be doing and just relaxing. I'm just going to chill out, because it's been some days. I'm watching this show and it's phenomenal. It's called Style. They're interior designers, these two over there, right here, and they're helping this couple. So it's fascinating to me. I love seeing creative artists at work, and Hulu comes through every time. You know what I mean?